Good day, sir. I'm Charles Dunhamlag from BCB3 Canopus, and today I will discuss the IMO performance standards for ICDIS operational and functional regarding the following: the route planning and route monitoring and voyage recording. First is route planning. Route planning is the large scale to available efficiency for the given should always be used by ICDIS or alarms or indications of crossing ship of safety controlling Appendix 5. Dapat ang ICDIS is the mo hatag og mo alarm kanang mo indicate sa ship safety control para mahibaw-an ang ang vessel or barko. Then route planning, and it should be possible to carry route planning including the rate or curve. The next is it should be possible to adjust a plan route of complementary and graphically, including the adding waypoints to a route, deleting waypoints from a route, and changing the position of waypoint. Dapat ang ICDIS is dapat mo possible mo adjust jud automatic na nga mo alphabetically and graphically, including the waypoints route and the waypoints deleting waypoints route. The next is it should be possible to plan on more alternative routes in adding selective route to selected route should be clearly distinguished from routes. And next is an indication should be given monitor plane and degrees closer to an use for distance from boundary of prohibited and geographic area which special conditions exist. And muna dapat ang route planning mo possible to mariner specify to crack mo track to deviate from the planned route with which automatic off track alarm should be activated. Mo automatic na mo activated sa route planning. Then next is route monitoring. Route monitoring is it should be possible to display the area that have not ship on the display. Route planning while routing monitoring, if this is done on the display used for route monitoring, the automatic route monitoring functions and providing alarms should be continuous, should be possible to return the route monitoring. And ang route monitoring mo kuan automatic na nga automatic po ni siya mo kanang mo monitor sa operator in active action. Then next is ICDIS should alarm if the special suit by mariner on ship will cross the safety contour. Then ICDIS should give an alarm to indication to selected by the mariner within the specified set of the mariner. Then next is the ship position should be derived from a continuous requirements for safe navigation whenever possible. A second independent positioning source of probably a different type of should be provided in such of ICDIS should be capable of identifying difference between the two sources. Dapat ang ICDIS kuno is kuan kanang sa route monitoring pa namoy mukaan kanang dapat ang monitor jud it's provided to the capable of to identify the two example sa mga two vessels kana. Then it should be possible to display alternative routes in addition to selected route because the selected route clearly distinguished. Next is voyage recording. Voyage recording is the navigation to verify the special database used to during previous 12 hours. The following data should be recorded at 1 minute. Dapat ang sa voyage recording pa, dapat ang navigation to and verify official database used during previous in 12 hours. The following should be recorded at 1 minute. It will be recorded in every 1 minute to ensure the record of on-ship time, position, heading and speed. And to ensure a record of official data used in source addition or cell update history. The next is in addition, ICDIS should record the complete track to entire voyage with the time marks at intervals not exceeding 4 hours. Dapat ang ICDIS is mo automatic na ni nga mo record in the complete track. And then the time marks, intervals siya within the 4 hours. Then it should be possible to manipulate or change the record information. Active should have capability to preserve the record if previous 12 hours in the voyage track. Mo ni ang voyage recording. Mo record every previous 12 hours and mo track ta po siya sa voyage track. And more, that's all, sir. Thank you and God bless.